Everyone talks about Amazon FBA, but do you actually know what private label means? In this video, I'll explain exactly what Amazon private label is, how it works, and how people are building real brands through it in 2025. Amazon private label simply means you take an existing generic product like a water bottle, yoga mat, or a phone case and sell it under your own brand name. You're not reselling someone else's brand like it wholesale. You are building your own identity, your logo, your packaging, your marketing, everything. Here is how it works step by step. First, you research a profitable product with low competition. Then you find a supplier, usually from Alibaba or a local manufacturer. You customize the product by adding your logo, packaging, or improving quality. Then you send it to Amazon FBA warehouses and launch your listing with ads and reviews. Instead of selling Nike shoes, you are creating your own brand of shoes and letting Amazon handle shipping and storage. In 2025, private label is the only Amazon model where you actually own the brand. You control pricing, design, and build a long term asset, not just short term profit. That's why more sellers are moving from dropshipping and investing in private labels. For example, imagine finding a stainless steel bottle on Alibaba for $2, designing custom packaging, printing your logo like Hydromate, and selling it for $20 on Amazon. You make profit on every sale. And if your brand grows, you can even sell it later as a business. That's the beauty of private labeling. So that's the basic idea of Amazon private label. Your brand, your product, your profits. If you want me to create a full step by step video on how to start your own private label brand in 2025, drop a comment below and I'll make that next. This is Munif from Growth Beyond Horizon, helping you grow beyond limits.